What? We've got orders to move. Little stroll into Jerry's line. Nothing to worry about. Section CP right there. Eyes open. Make it snappy. We're taking that position. We're taking that position. Sappers, report it. Ground needs taking, boyos. It's done, Commander. Section command open for business.
Royal Engineers on the field and ready for your orders.
Positions ours. Sappers, get to your orders. Royal Engineers, yeah? Little stroll into Jerry's line. We're needed elsewhere, lads. Nothing to worry about. Let's get to it. Royal Engineers, that capture point needs to be ours, right?
Infantry section trained and ready.
What have you got for us, sir?
Sappers, ground needs taking, boyos. Position taken. Tiny Jerry's is up. We blow it up now. Lead on, David. We're under fire. Find cover, you gods. Time to march, boyos. Come on. We're all tore up. Taking fire. What? And here we go. We're taking that position.
Present to the cap. Shut your mash.
Sappers, eyes open. Guns up. Royal Engineers, ready.
Pay attention. Come on, ladies, while we're young. Head into the location.
Dingo on station.
Quick wink and march.
Sappers.
Ground needs taking, boys.
Stop mucking about. They will put fire on us.
Contact with the bloody enemy!
Get moved, boys. Awaiting orders. Jerry's got it in for us. Walk your asses. Move.
Attention, sir!
Enemy infantry getting chotsy, lads! Get moving!
Why'll it be, sir?
They're breaking through us, yeah?
They're bringing up anti-tank weapons!
Roger that! I don't like it either, but it's orders!
Head into our destination now.
Sapper, stow that gear, boyos! We're going. Pack it up, lads! We're moving!
Always eager to start.
We're losing a victory point to enemy action.
Over there! Move! That HMG's firing on us! Move it! Go!
Victory point lost. The enemy has control.
That's enough! Move on that capture point! Serious faces on!
Dingo!
Go on, Sappers!
Dingo! School on fire! Take it down!
Awaiting orders! Over there!
We can't go!
Grenades are being distributed to the men.
Fall back now!
Fire!
Man down!
MGT crew! Bring up the infantry! Dingo! You heard the commander!
Attack orders! Fire!
That's enough! Fire back!
Sappers, prepare work!
Commander, rifle sections have been granted grenades as requested. Royal Engineers out of contact. Presumed dead. The beggars are threatening a victory point.
Sappers, stow that gear, boyos! We're going.
The enemy has our victory points now. Our victory point is being overrun.
Ready?
Back up! Back us up!
Here we go.
Dingo! In combat!
Sappers, let me guess. We should see the other guy.
Victory point under enemy control.
Done. That half back, push it up. Kill it. Move. Get down. Take cover. Jerry transport's done in. Yeah, we're moving. Off your asses.
Damn it! The enemy holds all victory points.
Matching it up
Come
now.
on, ladies, while we're young.
Sappers, eager as we'll ever be.
Shut your mouth. Got your rifle? Rounds? Come on then.
What's the task? Let me guess. We should see the other guy.
Veterans of Dieppe are reporting for duty.
Is it load bearing?
Who taught you how to play this thing? Now, chums. We're ready.
Upgrade? What's this all about? We're losing a munitions point. Catch your breath later. Come on.
Come off it.
Listen up. Right down.
Let's get rolling. Booting! Get on it! Lazy thing! Fire with a friend! Right! Let's go! Engines on the blink! Send help! We throw it in the boat!
Patching it up
Attention! Go! Go!
Outside fire!
Rifle section ready! Let's move out!
Get your hand welders up!
Get to cover!
Canadian shock infantry are in reserve.
Here!
Sappers, report it. Is it load bearing? We're taking that one.
We need to get closer! What do you want? The boys can capture it! Lock down the sector!
Why would you get there if I
Sappers,
you myself?
it's better over there.
Move! Come on, boys, it's finished!
Waiting for
Take that,
orders!
boys! Get that captured! See what we've got!
Shot from we heard! Movements are heading!
Listen to the counters! Securing enemy territory!
Sappers,
We got orders, lads! Oh, they've got us on this man down!
Scout car! Head into our
Jerry's
destination now!
picking us apart!
Give us some breathing
Take,
room!
let's move out!
We're standing full stop! Pull over! It'll be our pleasure!
Quiet, quit whinging and march! Hold on in!
Bingo! In combat! Oh no! What's that order?
The move! Show 'em what marksmanship really means!
Another squad out of action!
and here we go.
No, take that, boys!
Into the thick of it!
That's enough!
Listen up! Orders! If it's loaded, we can use it!
Royal Engineers here.
Scout car, take your station. We're heading out.
Sappers, eager to shift some dead weight. We're under
You have
fire.
command points available.
Guts. Contact with the enemy. We're in it now.
Don't let him escape!
We found Jerry. He's got to flee.
Cover! Canucks here! Don't think! Follow!
Burn the boss from their helm. Incendiary rollout underway.
Move!
Away deck moving.
Shot troops!
We'll get there if I can track you myself!
Amber armored car fueled up. Eager to go.
We gas grabbing it! Listen up!
Hold on here.
Sappers, eager as will ever be.
Scout car, here!
We're losing a munitions point to enemy action.
Looking for trouble, right, boys?
Go! Go! Will it be, sir?
What do you want? Enemy infantry!
Let's move out!
Canucks here! We heard! Move it!
Go! Go!
Jerry's taking an interest!
What's the task?
Waiting for orders!
Hold back!
The enemy has pushed us back from our sector.
We're ready. Something
Orders,
smells fishy. No,
Royal Engineers,
Corporal, it's not
ready.
that.
You finished your bloody hole, sir. Time to march, boys. Come
The
on.
beggars are threatening a munitions point.
Royal, we've got orders.
To move, so move. We're losing a victory point. Get to follow in. Hold on here. Victory point is in enemy hands.
Canadian shock troops ready. Quit
Territory lost.
Clear out. Ready. Come on, Jack. Enemy fire! Half track. Magnum. Veteran C&T.
Armored car! Contact!
Vehicle into heading.
Enemy
Steady on. Who taught you how to bloody drive?
Canucks here!
Humber armored car has been knocked out.
You fucking go, Scout! MG's here, nurse! Do something! Number one Scout car's in trouble here! Waiting for orders! Into the thick of it!
Dingo recon vehicle has been destroyed.
Sappers, pack it up, lads. We're moving. Stow that gear, boys.
Wait, Henry! Wait! Minefield!
Sappers, report it. What's the stow that gear, boys? We're going.
We can't hold it!
We have a surplus of command points, Commander.
Ready, so...
Retreat! Run for it!
Anti-tank crews are on standby for orders. Experimental petrochemicals are being integrated across all flame weapons.
Grenade! Big Sam Jerry's better over there. Please, not too please. We're ready.
Marching through.
One stopper!
Standing by! Cut down, driver! Right!
Oh, and here we go.
Mirror, signal, driver! Humber, low in the area! Stop!
Sappers!
Damnation! The sector's in enemy hands.
Come on, ladies.
Read.
Forward.
Back us up!
Waiting orders! Stop! What the beast?
Anti-tank weapon and crew on the field. The Humber armored car is gone. You have 3 command points available.
Let's get our hands dirty!
We've lost the sector to the enemy.
Chuck us a clip. We've got infantry.
Infantry attack! Grenade!
Drag you, my
Grenade!
man.
Move it!
Attack, move!
Don't get distracted! Don't think!
Rifle section ready.
On it!
While in peace, sir. Let's move out. Rifle grenade.
Into the thick of it! Move those legs! On double time! One! That's the word down!
Rifle smooth. We'll get there if I can drag you myself.
A victory point is being overrun.
This is getting out of friendly! MG destroyed!
Ready weapons.
Clear! Into the thick of it!
Victory point belongs to the enemy.
Sappers under fire!
Listen up!
We've just lost an anti-tank gun.
Stopping! Catch your breath!
Stow that gear, boys.
Take it
We're going.
We're losing a capture point.
Hit down! Hit out!
We've lost contact with our sappers.
Got orders! We're roaring, advancing to attack!
Time to march, boys.
Our supply line's broken. We have sectors isolated out there.
Let's leg it, lads!
The enemy has claimed the sector.
That's it, lads! Vehicles toast! Come on!
We have 300 points remaining.
Staying up here! 6 pounds of waiting on you, sir! Right, we're ready. Where's me glove? Iron move!
Rifle rounds. Come
Let's
on,
make
then.
a move. Keeping up the pressure, ready to fight. Smoke him if you've got him. Anti moving into standing by. 6-pounder deploying, but cover here. Infantry has us ranged! Please don't hold! Ready for action! Grab your tackle! Jump to them!
Infantry! They're far too close! Taking hits! Effective beggars! Kill them! Take the position, sappers! Like you was trained!
We're moving across the line. Heads on the swivel.
Cut those Bandauer firing! At me! Hold the position! Cavalry can't be far off! Sappers, secure that position! Drive them out! Get moving! Hold the position! Cavalry can't be too far off! Get to that seat! Always hitting Sappers, yeah?
We've lost a sector.
Let's make a move.
Capture point is being contested.
Orders! Yeah, we're moving!
We'll get there if I can track you myself! Always look, sir. Not your mushroom moving feet.
Looking for trouble, right, boys?
In combat! Bring up reserve! We are losing a victory point to enemy action. Victory point is in enemy hands. Commander, we should utilize all manpower available to us.
Let's get moving! We're up, lads!
Right done. Now what?
Get to that enemy sappers under strength!
All the way!
Canadian shock infantry have been assigned to our sector.
Let's get our hands dirty! We've got some...
One of our anti-tank guns has been destroyed. Humber armored car fueled up.
Build up! Build up!
We have Canadian veterans paying for blood here, Commander.
What do you grab the man? Get the guard! Into the thick of it! Ready for this action! Order from the flag! Shock troops can handle that! Attack orders! There!
A munitions point is being overrun.
Follow! Watch for MD! Keep to his side! Understood! We're on it! Don't stop! Fight! Spit it out! Back up! Shock troops! I know he's dead! Persevere! Heavy suppression here! Panzer's breaking through! Hold them back! Shock troops can't advance! They've got us pinned!
Churchill tanks with flame projectors are available to rout the enemy.
What do you want? Catch your breath later. Come on. Looking for trouble. Jerry's taking all back! Assemble an HQ! We'll get it done.
Bugger! The enemy is won. Signal the retreat.